Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Organic chemistry questions for you. Here they given two different cations P and Q. P is amine cation, Q is oxonium ion. You should find among the two which one is more stable. Here if you look at it, there are two different cations, only differ with the heteroatom. Normally the less charge or no charge is more stable, hence we have to reduce the charge for more stability. Here if you look at it, electronegativity of nitrogen is lesser than oxygen, so oxygen is electron withdrawing, it increases the charges on the cation, so it reduces the stability. So cation on oxygen is unstable. Similarly cation on nitrogen is stable because it's not electron withdrawing as much as oxygen. The concept you have to learn here is stability of charges dictated by charge density. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.